Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name's Zach. If it's your first time here, hopefully you get some value out of this video and other videos on the channel. Like and subscribe if you haven't done that already. If you're returning back to the channel, thanks for coming back. Today, we are jumping into my two favorite meme slash community tokens, coins, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. And they are both killing it right now as we speak, as we record this video. So Shiba Inu sitting as number 30 in the market cap, still a top 30 token in this market cap from marketcap.com, which is just great to see. Up just about 14% right now is SHIB. The entire market has a lot of assets in the green, but Shiba Inu, one of the bigger gainers right now. We're going to get into a little bit more detail on both of these that I love in terms of the ones in the meme community space. Then, of course, we got news that Coinbase Pro is adding Dogecoin. So we've seen Dogecoin jump back up over into the number 6 spot, hopping over XRP. That is up 32% right now, up to 41 cents. And how about in the 7-day, 20%? So a huge gain here for Doge as they continue their push. They're on the heels of Cardano right now. Doge and Cardano, XRP, they've all kind of went back and forth in this 5 to 7 range for quite some time. But Dogecoin, if this trend continues, could surpass Cardano, at least here in the short term, in terms of market cap. All right, so going back over to Shiba Inu, here is why Shiba Inu, the price might double in the following days. I just put out a recent video on Shiba Inu, perhaps breaking out in June if we follow the trend lines. It's been consolidating for a little while. We've seen some nice spikes in recent days. There's a lot of really bullish short-term momentum going on right now with SHIB. That sideways movement that we've been talking about, combined with declining volume, suggests that SHIB is due for a massive breakout move. That means there's a lot of holders, a lot of long-term holders here in SHIB, and I think you're starting to see on the retail side of things, a lot of people in the community are holding their SHIB or adding on to it. So Shiba Inu price shows an extended consolidation after a massive flash crash going back to the 19th, 23rd, depending on which asset it was. Sometimes there were a couple assets that actually crashed twice on the 19th and the 23rd. But after a massive flash crash caused by Ethereum creator Vitalik Buterin, after he pulled the SHIB liquidity from Uniswap, of course, that was just related to Shiba Inu. The dog-themed cryptocurrency is trading sideways since then, awaiting a trigger for a massive breakout move. Shiba Inu price technicals point to a 100% upswing. The Shiba Inu price dropped a whopping 83% from May 10th to May 19th. This nosedive was triggered after Buterin sold his gifted 2 trillion SHIB worth 40 billion on May 12th. And again, it's important to note that all of those Shiba Inu tokens that were sold and gifted to the India Relief Fund, they're not going to be taken out of the supply right away. It's only going to be in 10% increments to help Shiba Inu's price in the short term, and of course later on in the long term. But this plummet caused some damage to the meme coin in the short term, but price action since this drop has developed a nice consolidation in a tight range. Interestingly, the volume for this sideways movement is declining, suggesting that Shiba Inu price is cooling up for a massive move higher. Again, the technicals point to perhaps a 100% upswing, which could be a massive move. So the short length moving average, 12 MA, is heading higher, converging toward the slow length moving average. This sets up a really bullish move, which is waiting to happen. And I think the month of June is going to be good for the entire crypto space, Shiba Inu included. I really think we're still in this bull run, and we're going to get a lot of assets popping. Of course, we talked about Cardano on the live stream last night, and some really bullish signals now for Cardano as they have put a time frame of September that they're going to roll out their smart contracts, something to watch as well. So if Shiba Inu produces a decisive close above the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level, which is this 0103 level, it'll confirm the start of an uptrend. Such a move might trigger a 100% upswing that will place SHIB back up in this range that'll get us a little bit closer to all-time highs. So we take a look at some of the fundamentals that theorize a bright future as well. ShibaSwap, we're still waiting here. It's a decentralized exchange, of course, expected to house 2 other tokens, the Leash and the Bone. Leash is available now, Bone not yet. Leash, limited supply, only 100K of those tokens. So make sure you get in on leash if you believe in the entire ecosystem that this project is developing and creating. While both the tokens are ERC20, they follow different token economics. Take a look at the white papers. They'll see that, you know, leash was initially designed to follow Dogecoin, actually be a stable coin, but they kind of pulled the rug on that and went in a different direction. Bone, we don't know a lot about yet, but how it will work in the ecosystem, we're going to wait and see when ShibaSwap comes out, just to see how all three of these assets work together. So here's another one, Shiba coin price prediction. So this is coming from capital.com. So if we go over and look at their Twitter, capital.com Global just added the asset, just added Shiba Inu in their new listing section. So they have actually come out with this article just after that. Now, although it's down, they say 76% from the all-time high, it's still looking like it's going to be a really solid month. All indications are showing that here again, they say the SHIB price spiked as much as 26% on May 31st, prompting renewed expectations among traders that the coin will rally to rival Dogecoin. It's got a long way to rival Dogecoin. I just want to keep that in perspective, but it is still a top 30 market cap, so just keep that in mind. I know a lot of people are thinking, when is Shiba Inu just going to go away? When is this thing just going to be gone and out of here? So far, it hasn't gone like that. SHIB is a community-driven based project, of course. In terms of the decentralized exchange, they talk a little bit about what to look forward to on that. So SHIB has a total supply of 1 quadrillion, which is designed to allow users to hold billions or even trillions of tokens. According to the developers, this means that Shiba Inu's value can remain well under a penny, but still generate large returns for its holders due to the quantity. There are 394 trillion tokens in circulation with a total market capitalization of just under 3.5 billion. In fact, we might be a little above that number now if we scroll down. Yeah, we are. We're closing in on 4 billion. I talked about this about a week ago, how I would like to see this back up into the 4 billion range, get back up into the top 30, and we are right there, right on the heels of NEO, and then we've cracked the top 30 again. So some great signals going on right now for SHIB. In terms of other news, you know, we're just getting a lot of exchanges adding SHIB, which is good. Still waiting the big one, which is ShibaSwap. That's the one we're really waiting on. Now, when SHIB was created, 50% of the total supply was locked to Uniswap, and the remaining 50% was sent to Ethereum. So this is a big point that we've also been making recently. So 50% went to Uniswap, 50% to Vitalik, okay? So the developers can no longer burn. Now, that might change with ShibaSwap, but as it stands right now, you know, a lot of people asking, can we burn more coins? The developers on their side of things, they don't have the access to do that. Now, Buterin did burn 410 trillion SHIB tokens, 90% of his remaining stock, worth more than 6.7 billion on 16th of May. In a note attached to the transaction, he said he would send the remaining 10% to a charity with similar value to the Crypto Relief Fund, but with a larger long-term goal. Okay. We'll take a look at just the charts here. So here's that consolidation we've been talking about, right? A lot of consolidating here going on. Usually we're primed for another breakout. Here you go. We saw some consolidation after this pop, and then a huge breakout from here. So we're awaiting some more catalyst in the form of ShibaSwap. Now, the Shiba Inu swap, or Shiba Inu price rather, took off on May 8th when Tesla CEO actually came on the SNL stream. Dogecoin sold off while SHIB climbed, which was interesting to watch all of that transpire. I remember just after that night is when it might have been that night is when I got into SHIB. Got in a little bit on the high side, but I'm going to hold it for the long term and see what happens. I'm excited about that. So with Dogecoin, so Coinbase said Tuesday that it would support Dogecoin trading. Mr. Musk reshared a July 2020 meme showing the cryptocurrency subsuming the global financial system with the comment, "It's inevitable," right? And take a look over here. Here's another one. Found this pic of me as a child. I have to keep my passion hidden from the public or I'll be socially ostracized. And it's, of course, the Shiba Inu dog here. But some great news for Doge has helped pump the price up, and both of these assets looking great right now. Shiba Inu up just about 14%, and Dogecoin making some great strides today, up 33% at the time of this recording, and we'll have to continue to watch that. Let's see the biggest gainers. Dogecoin right there under Curve Dowcoin. token rather. So right there underneath is one of the top gainers here in the 24-hour period. So if you found some value, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new here. And guys, both these memes, community coins, looking good right now. I think we're setting up for a nice month of June. So I'll see you all in the next video.